Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how these polyester canvas zip cases from Atresprix can be customized into something more lively and personal with sublimation. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. Let's get started. Although they're perfect for when school is back in session, Atresprix's canvas zip case is the perfect accessory for organizing any small items, like makeup or charging cables. As these USA-made zip cases are made from a quality polyester canvas, they'll be able to hold the most popular heat transfers, including sublimation transfers on both sides. You can either create handcrafted transfers on plain paper with Atresprix's sublimation markers and stamp tools, or use your computer and sublimation printer to print out detailed pictures or graphic designs. Whatever you choose to apply onto these zip cases is guaranteed to look its best. By using full bleach transfers that extend slightly past the edges of the zip case, you can transform it into a unique, vibrant case that perfectly suits your or your customer's style. For our demonstration, we'll be printing 2 copies of an image to cover both sides of a zip case with a Sawgrass SG500 printer. But first, we'll need to prepare the image within the dimensions of the zip case. In a graphic design program, you can create a document sized at 7 1/4 by 5 1/4 inches. While the zip case itself is 7 by 5 inches, adding a 1/4 inch on the width and height will provide extra bleed that allows edge-to-edge coverage and also makes alignment much easier. Once your image is ready, you may print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager with 100% scale and use these settings. Substrate set to polyester, paper set to your paper's profile, leave the mirror option checked, and change the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on your image's level of detail. With all of these set, you may go to the Jobs tab and change how many copies to print of your image. Then click Print on SPM. We're now ready to customize our zip case. Turn on your heat press and set it to 50 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. When your machine reaches temperature, add a pressing pillow to the lower platen, then cover it with a parchment paper sheet. This pressing pillow will help keep the zip case flat when it's pressed, specifically to treat its pull tab. Place your transfer on top, then you may bring your zip case in and align it to the center of the printed image. Of course, we'll need to keep it in place with some heat tape. With everything attached, flip your zip case with the paper side up, cover it with another parchment paper sheet, and press. After 50 seconds, open your machine and allow the zip case to cool down for a moment. Once it's cool, quickly peel the transfer off and you've now sublimated one side of your zip case. Feel free to move on to the back side of the item with these same steps. When sublimating an Atresprix zip case, the inside is thick enough to prevent dye migration onto the opposite side. For other polyester zip cases, however, we recommend adding a piece of parchment paper inside the zip case to prevent any dye migration from occurring. It's also worth taping the case by its far edges to prevent the previously sublimated side from releasing any dyes into the tape. Once you've completed the backside, your Atresprix zip case is now ready to go out in style with your essentials or favorite items. If you'd like to share your customized zip cases with us alongside a growing community of heat transfer enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about Atresprix and other sublimation products, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, be sure to get in touch with the My Expert representative at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching and keep on creating.